we start with panicked Bay Area homeowners facing a new reality in high-risk fire areas. KPIX 5's Melissa Caen is in Mill Valley, where some insurance companies are now unwilling to take a risk on some homes. Melissa.
That's right. Here in Mill Valley, houses that are tucked away on the side of mountains, surrounded by forests, are part of the city's charm. But for insurance companies, this is just a high-risk wildfire area. And the companies, in light of recent California wildfires, are finding it increasingly difficult and making them unwilling to renew homeowner policies in places like this.
And this one came from the south.
Phyllis Andelin has lived in this Mill Valley home for 45 years, and she's always had homeowners insurance with Chubb, but that's about to change.
I had no clue that they were going to non-renew me.
Despite paying nearly $27,000 for insurance last year, in the past few weeks, she started getting notices that her policy would not be renewed when it expires next month.
I can't sleep. That was the one thing that I thought wasn't going to happen to me.
Chubb says it's because she made 2 small claims, but Phyllis says it's part of a larger pattern.
And they've been saying they don't want policies in the canyons.
We actually asked the insurers in the state to give us their data. How many people were they non-renewing? And that's what we have for the first time.
Michael Soller is with the state insurance commissioner. He says the new data proves what Phyllis is saying. Insurers are dropping homeowners who live near wildlands because they're afraid of more fires.
For the year 2017 to 18, there was a 6% overall increase in insurance non-renewal.
From 2015 to 2018, about 670,000 homeowner policies were not renewed in California. In the Bay Area, that number was nearly 95,000. Property that can't be insured is less valuable, and that means less property tax.
Local governments are going to be unable to afford the services. And Insurance Commissioner Lara really described this as the fear of community unraveling, and I think that's what we are trying to head off here.
Now, one option that the insurance commissioner is considering is creating a sort of home fire safety standard, that any home that meets that standard would have to be issued an insurance policy. He says this system has worked in other states, and he's confident that it could work here. And solutions like that just can't come fast enough for people like Phyllis here in Mill Valley.